Hello guys, this is your mommy and auntie on the go. Welcome to my G-Ong Life. So if you're looking for a chill and neighborhood style vibe na cafe, this is for you. Very near and walking distance lang siya sa Paco Church. This is the LATK Cafe and 1315 Santo Sepulcro, Paco, Manila. And it's just again walking distance from Paco Church. They're open around 11 a.m. up until 10 p.m. on most days. LATK Cafe is actually Lolo and the Kid Cafe, which is the owner of which is the director of the movie Lolo and the Kid in Netflix, Direct Benedict Mike. He also wrote and produced that film. So if you can see the interior, it's like you entered a simple neighborhood cafe, but the details are very artsy and relaxing. They do offer various kinds of coffee and as well as mocktails. They also do offer pasta, they have steak, they have sandwiches, and other kinds of available, lutong bahay. And also on that same building, it's a cafe style, but it's a laundry shop called Momol Wash, wherein you can have a cozy time while doing your errands. And look at that! Very generous serving sa LATK or Lolo and the Kid Cafe. Hindi po tinipid and very aesthetic ang kanilang mga foodie. So, can't wait to try.
Gusto ko yung pagka, ng garlic. Sarap ng garlic. Ang sarap ng garlic din sa steak. Tapos tamang-tama yung seasoning. Hindi siya maalat, hindi siya yung not bad for the price. Huh?
Very self-empowering.
So we tried the mains and it's really good. And now I think this is one of my favorites here in LATK Cafe. Their bibingka. Very homemade yung lasa niya. Ang sarap nung pinaka bibingka, yung brain cake. And lasang-lasang mo rin yung cheese and yung salted egg.
Pero mas konti yung type B ganito lang.
Is that gonna happen next? Hi everyone! So for today's video, we're eating cookies.
Hindi kasi ito naman po yung target market nila. Iba-iba. Pero yun, parang kusina yun. Wala ito yung dito kusina ko nga. Pero hindi lang.
Akala nyo color white? Color black. Mamaya, papabay ko pa rin kinain.
sarap.
Ganun ba yung dapat ito?
Dark chocolate.
Agad lang ako.
Ba't ibabato mo?
Na.
Pero may... Ay, gaya-gaya.
Ang sarap na. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Pag tita na. Kasi pag hindi ganun katamis.
Actually,